Students, today's we learn the 7th class science, the plants and structure function. Question number 1, exercise with the answer, full exercise there. And चला तर मग पहिला प्रश्न आपण सुरुवात करणार आहोत. या ठिकाणी प्रत्येक पार्टचं फंक्शन तुम्हाला लिहायचं आहे. जसं की फॉर एक्झाम्पल फ्लावर आहे, फ्लावरचं काय, रिप्रोडक्शन अँड प्रोड्यूस द सीड्स. फ्रूट्स, प्रोटेक्ट द सीड्स अँड हेल्प टू सीड डिस्पर्सल. त्यानंतर नेम ऑफ द टाइप ऑफ रूट्स इन द प्लांट. सेकंड, टॅप रूट अँड fibrous root. One main root with the smaller branches, that is the carrot, mango, and fibrous root many small roots of the similar size, the grass and wheat. Third question आहे, what are the function of the following types of the stem? Herbivorous stem, woody stem, and climbing stem. First, herbivorous, the soft flexible stem and support leaves the flower. फ्लावरला सपोर्ट करतं. woody stem, the hard and strong stem support tall trees. Climbing tree जे असतात त्यांना help plants climbing for the sunlight, that is the money plant. Undergo stem, the store foods and help in the vegetative reproductive, that is the ginger, potato. Fourth question is, what is the photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which the green plants make their own food using the sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. It's occur mainly in the leaves. Chlorophyll in the leaves capture the sunlight and convert the carbon dioxide and water into glucose and the oxygen. Fifth question is, what is the function of xylem and phloem? Xylem, they transport the water minerals from the root and other plant. Phloem, they transport the food and leaves to another part of the plant. Sixth question, what is the transcription? Transcription is the loss of water in the form of water vapor from the leaves, helps to cooling the plant and maintaining water movement from root to leaf. Seventh question is, what is the modification in leaves? Spine, tendril, succulent leaves and insectivorous leaves. Eighth question is, what is the modification in the stem? Thorn, tendril, rhizomes and tubes. What is the difference between the simple and the compound leaves? यामध्ये फरक काय आहे तो तुम्हाला लिहायचा आहे. डिफरन्स बिटवीन करायचा आहे. सिम्पल लीव इज द सिंगल इंडिव्हिज्युअल लीव्स ब्लेंड, दॅट इज द मँगो और गोवा. कंपाऊंड लीव्स leaf blend divided into many leaflets, that is the rose or neem. What is the function of the flower? त्याचं पहिलं फंक्शन आहे, फ्लावर हेल्प टू द सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. Then next, they product seeds and sometimes fruits also. Attract the pollinator like the insect and birds. 11th, what is the fruit and seeds? First type, fruits develop from the ovary, protect seeds. Seeds contain the embryo and the new plant, ensure species continuation. तर अशा प्रकारच्या संपूर्ण प्रश्नांचा स्वाध्याय इथे दिलेला आहे. तुम्ही तो पाहून लिहू शकता, उत्तरांची तयारी करू शकता, पाठांतरण करू शकता, वाचन करू शकता, परीक्षेला चांगल्या गुणांनी मार्क्स मिळू शकता. यासाठी तुम्ही या चॅनलला भरभरून प्रतिसाद द्या. सबस्क्राईब, शेअर, लाईक जरूर करा आणि हा व्हिडिओ आपल्या मित्रमैत्रिणीपर्यंत जरूर पोहोचवा. अगदी सोप्या साध्या सिंपल भाषेमध्ये तुम्हाला याची उत्तरं दिलेली आहेत. डिफाईन द जर्मिनेशन. Germination is the process by which the seeds sprouts and growth into the new plant under the suitable condition like the water, air and earth. 14th question आहे, what is the condition necessary for the germination? Water, oxygen, suitable temperature and sometimes the lights also important in the factor. 5th आहे, explain time of the germination, epigeal germination and the hypogeal germination. Cotyledon rise above the soil and cotyledon remains below the soil. How do the plants reproduce? The sexual reproduction system that likes the single parents, no seeds, cutting, budding, vegetative propagation, and sexual reproduction system involves the two flowers, pollination, germination, fertilization and seeds. Give the example of vegetative propagation, like the stem पासून प्लांट मतलब पोटॅटो आणि शुगर केन. रूट म्हणजे स्वीट पोटॅटो आणि लीफ म्हणजे ब्रायोफायलम. Then 18 questions, what is the pollination? Transfer of the pollen grain from the another to the stigma of the flower and time, the self-pollinations and the cross-pollinations. Next questions, what is the fertilization? Union of the male gametes pollen and the female gametes ovules leads to the formation of the zygote and the develop into the seeds. Last but not least questions, define the seed dispersal and the importance. Seed dispersal, spreading seed away from the parental plants, and importance, reduce the competitions. Method, wind, water, animal and explosion. थँक्यू. भेटूया उद्याच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये पुढील धड्यामध्ये. थँक्यू, धन्यवाद, बाय, सी यू.